Hi folks, quick lesson on introducing texts. Sometimes when you're writing, you want to talk about something that you've read, seen, or heard. It can be an article, a story, a song, a poem, a book, a movie, a TV show, or just about anything. Regardless of what form it takes, we call that a text. And when you're talking about a text, you need to let your reader know two things about it right away: the title and the author. It may sound a little basic, but my best advice is to always use the same formula to introduce a text. Start with the word in, then state the title, followed by the author's name. Then use a word like says, notes, writes, or argues. Let's take a look at an example. Imagine you're writing a paper and you want to use an article that you've read to support a point that you're making. Before you say anything about the article, you need to introduce it using the formula I just described. In The Power of Patience, Jennifer L. Roberts writes that it is important to learn how to slow down. Here, you'll see that I've used my formula: in, then the title, followed by the author's name, followed by a word that's similar to says. To recap, whenever you begin to discuss a text, you need to let your reader know two things: the title of the text and the author's name. To do this, use the following formula: the word in plus the title of the text, followed by the author's name and a word that means says. Following that formula will allow you to introduce text as clearly and concisely as possible, which is exactly what you should be aiming for when you write a paper.